Sometimes it's best to do a little pencil sketch as a plan for the drawing you're going to do. So very gently, don't press too hard. Draw a circle and put a line through it. It just gives you an idea of what's going on. Put another line underneath it there. It's not quite halfway down. Then this is going to come around like that, and down. Actually, take it straight down all the way. It's a guide, and then that is going to come around like that. Now up in this quarter here, we're going to draw an ear, and it wants to be quite a big ear because it's a fawn. So it's a baby, and so everything is a bit big. It's like puppies have enormous feet, isn't it? And here we're going to come all the way around this circle and sort of down to that point, and then out, and then join the circle there. A little cheek like that, and then that's the bottom lip. And then the eye wants to sit in that little corner there, and I'm going to put an eyeball in like that. So it's like a C, it's like a big chunky letter C, but or a dot with a little bit left out. And I'm going to put a nose in there, and then we're going to need another ear on the other side there. Right, let's bring this around. So this is the back, and this wants to sort of come down a little bit, and then if you can get that curve in, that makes it nicer. And then I'm going to draw the legs in before I do the front. So around about here, you want to have a leg coming around like that, and then down. So it's not square, it's the angle is kind of opening out, isn't it, like that. And then here we want to come around in a little curve, and then we go up, and then it's just getting slightly wider in each of these little corners or little sections. And then we can bring that around there. Now stop, leave that line a little bit, and then come down, and then up, and then that's a slightly curving line the other direction. That curves one way, that curves the other. So that's the back of the back leg. And then we want the front of the back leg, which is going to come down here just a little bit in front. And here we're going to curve that around like that. And then here we can go whoops and put a cute little tail in there like that. Now carry that line on there, and that will come around, and there's the belly. Now when you are sure that the ink is dry, you can erase all those pencil lines and no one will know how you were so clever to draw that. We're going to want another leg coming out at the front here, and maybe a slightly different angle, and that's going to come around in a curve like that. And we'll see a bit behind there. And then the other back leg is going to come down here, not quite as low as that side, and then we want that curve, and then curve back up like that. Then we can put in some gorgeous eyelashes, because that's what fawns are like. And then we need to put some shading in on the hoofs like that, there, and then finally, pew, 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 pew. It's a leaping fawn, so let's make it leap. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy so you can come back and do lots more drawing. Bye!